Nomad Knights Ep9 Pt2. I'm your host, Z26. And your players are. I keep saying host, I mean GM, whatever. Damn.
I mean, Star plays Ryan.
Raymond.
Raymond.
Alright, Raymond. Damn it. That's what change.
Yeah. I'm Kip. I play the character Maya.
And I am Rue. I play the character Rose.
Yeah, so the scientist is going on this rant. He's like, yeah, toxins have more limited effects than they would on human cells. In high enough doses, they can still be effective, but not as much. Biological factors, hardly any. Almost anything biological that's introduced to his immune system is destroyed and neutralized. Also, the cells are completely immune to radiation or the DNA damage that would be caused by it. Like, they can still be destroyed by it at a high enough dose, but lower doses, even those that would be lethal to a human, have no effect and almost appear to energize the cells.
Oh.
Okay.
Think like
Are there
think like
any?
photosynthesis for a plant.
You guys became
Interesting.
plants.
Um,
No, not that's a
okay, so
oversimplification.
I.
Basically, the cells can turn different forms of radiation into energy as opposed to being damaged by them.
Okay, so yeah, that tracks with um, the fucking kaiju's. I have a question though. Does our blood give off its own unique signature
Uh,
like radiation would?
they're they're like, well, that's kind of the problem we've been having. There's some radiation, yes, but there's something else that our sensors just can't quite detect that we suspect is the cause for all the supernatural phenomenon that you guys can produce.
Okay, so one unidentified aspect of the blood,
I would.
which is probably from the residual effects of the bats.
Yeah, I would say you guys could hazard a guess that this is like that extra dimensional energy or extra universal
Mm,
energy the bats are talking about. They can't
yeah.
really pick it up on their sensors, but it's like something's happening because you see the effects but not the cause basically.
Yeah.
Like they're missing the piece basically.
Give me 1 second, guys. I'm gonna think on something while I run to the bathroom really quick.
Okay, what questions do you guys have? Good old Raymond and Maya.
Yup. The chaotic duo.
Yes.
I ain't gonna lie to you. I kind of zoned out while she was doing all her stuff. But, where are we currently?
You're in the lab asking the scientists questions about more Rose's and Frank's biology because they're the mutant type things. You guys are they're about to find out what you guys are. But actually,
Should we
Maya, did
even
you give a
trust
blood
these?
sample?
Oh, I was like, sure. Yeah. I would.
Yep.
I was gonna ask, what do they even do with all these samples?
They're just like doing various tests with them, basically,
For what
Yeah.
purpose?
trying to figure out how your freaking powers work.
Yeah, but once they figure it out, what are they gonna make, like, super soldiers or something?
I don't know.
That's kind of sus. I don't even know. Thank God I'm mostly human. I don't think we should be trusting these people with our blood samples.
It's kind of late for that.
Oh, I know, but hmm.
I could just
I
make
made
super
that point to
super
Rose back when we
soldiers.
first
Yeah.
did
I don't
this.
trust. I don't trust these guys. Is there any way I could, I don't know, sabotage? You know,
Mm,
like like derail them from their goal. Like I don't know, delete browser history or
talking
something
to
like
the
that.
suit.
No, well, hmm. I mean, oh right, I could. Oh yeah, I could hack. That's crazy. Thanks for reminding me. Okay.
Depends on how
I,
much you want to derail.
oh, I want to derail, buddy.
Like if
I want to derail.
like obviously they're not connecting their servers to the internet, but for your suit that doesn't really matter. If it's electronic, it can screw with it. So,
Bet. All
are you
right. I
talking
look
about
at
you
Kip.
just want to put some bugs in the code and slow them down, or you want to hard wipe and delete everything?
Hard wipe and delete everything, and maybe leave some bugs here and there.
You're not doing that right now.
Oh fuck! Nah, damn, she came back.
I've been listening this entire time. I just went to
Damn
go
it!
pee. Jesus
Shh,
Christ.
go pee in peace. You're not here. All right, so
I already went pee, and
it's
Let
that
him
that's
okay. They're
do the
that.
not gonna know
thing.
it's me. They're not gonna know it's
No.
me. They're not gonna know it's me.
They
But
If
probably.
they're
anything, if anything, I can just fucking portal in here and take the goddamn samples back.
no. It's no fun. Let me just derail them. They're not gonna even know. They don't even know my suit can do
They might
that.
want to figure
Hmm.
out who's stealing the samples first, but hey, that's just an
No, I
idea.
know. We're gonna do that right after. Like right after we figure out that problem. And once we do that,
That's why I
just
was asking questions, because if there's a
Hidden
unique
crimes.
signature that our blood
actually,
emits,
actually, instead of hard wiping, can I just take a peek at what they have so far
Oh
before
yeah.
I do that? All right, bet. Maybe maybe in there one of the files has the answer as to why it's being stolen. Maybe they figured out something, or maybe they saw something and they didn't quite figure it out yet.
Hmm.
All right, so I need someone to do a distraction. Normally it would be me, but I'm the one with the hacking.
You don't have to. It's not gonna be visible. You can literally just tap into this just by wearing the suit.
Oh, word. All right, bet I do that.
Yeah. They're like,
you're
what's
just
he
standing
doing?
there. He's
Um,
probably taking some nanobots to heal an injury or some shit.
Oh, interesting. We'd love to get a scan while he's doing that. Jordan, like,
Unfortunately,
go ahead.
those they because of what the suit is made out of, it doesn't show up very well with scans.
That is correct, actually.
So you
Oh,
just basically see a black like silhouette of a person.
uh-huh. I forget what I was saying. Jordan is like noticing you're screwing. He's noticing that you're screwing with the electronics. He's like, oh, what the heck is he doing? He doesn't say anything, just because he can sense it. But yeah, it's basically what you said. Like, if you're worried about super soldiers, they're not even far along enough to like even consider that as an option. They're still trying to figure out like how the abilities even work. And so
is that what I'm
far,
gathering from the suit?
yeah, like the data. So far, it's just like super advanced, like scientific speak for like all the things that their blood is immune to. Like it absorbs radiation, turns it into energy,
So,
whatnot.
from what I'm gathering, they're just looking at strengths and weaknesses of what each blood sample does.
Kinda, sorta. And
Sorta.
then it's like going through genetic codes, and it's like the codes are like almost not unreadable. It's just like lots of unexpected error. It's like a lot longer than a human genome should be, is what they're finding. But they're still trying to unsort what all of it means.
Yeah, but I'm
Yeah,
scared of
true
what they're
enough.
gonna. What I'm more afraid of is what they're gonna do with all that knowledge once they unsort it. That's what I'm more afraid. Cause we're supposed to be kept in secret, not fucking helping these guys. We don't even know these guys too much to trust them with that knowledge. Hell, we don't even know what the fuck the knowledge is. We just don't want them to have it first. That's why I just think it's better to just hard wipe everything and then leave a couple of bugs here and there so they be more distracted.
If
But I'm
anything, just leave a keylogger type program.
well, like so I can go back in.
Yeah, so basically just a monitoring program.
All right, can the suit do that?
Yeah. You
Okay,
might have to
I'll
leave a
leave.
little piece of it behind, but they wouldn't be able to detect it.
What do you mean, like a little piece, like a little like
Like
establish a
literally a
connection or
little.
something?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that. Tell the suit to do that for me. Like a
Yeah.
little
But
split screen right there for the data.
that's the newest thing they could find. It's like for his genome, it's like currently being mapped out, but it's just too damn long to be that of a normal human, and they're trying to unravel like what it is.
Hmm. Okay.
It's almost like oh yeah,
Interesting.
actually you roll me for your intelligence because the suit's not gonna dumb this down for you. They're very literal.
Okay. Got a 16.
Yeah. This like the length of this genome is like the length of a it's almost as if you took a human and then a whole nother species and just clipped them together.
Oh shit.
But
Are
it's
they doing their?
multiple species.
Oh, so it's like not like physically, but in the program, they're like playing a little game where they connect this
No,
human to
this
this
is what they're
animal.
finding. This is what they're finding.
Oh,
This is
okay.
what the kids' blood samples are saying.
Like,
Damn.
it would be like human and then like two other animal DNA
Shit.
Yeah, pretty
synchronized with it.
much.
Shit, man. Damn, it'd be. Oh, then it'd be way smarter to just. It's before I even hardwipe. Maybe I can take a copy of all this with me and delete it all.
No, just leave a keylogger.
No, I know. I'm talking about after. I'm not doing this now. I'm gonna leave a little door, back door, so I can come back
Side
in whenever I
entrance.
feel like it. Yeah, well, I say back door because there's no one really pays attention to the back door too much. It's always the front entrance or side or whatever.
Okay,
All right.
well, um, so they said that our blood doesn't emit its own unique signature that we're able to trace.
Yeah.
Interesting.
I'm gonna roll for something.
What are you rolling for?
I will tell you once I have the number that is associated with my roll.
Don't tell me regardless, because I need to know what happens if you fail.
Yeah, it kind of
18.
Great.
does.
I want to. So, you know how I have my time and space manipulation?
Yeah.
I'm wondering if I'm able to open, or not really open, but like sort of do like a monitor, if you get what I mean, and like rewind time, like to
Like the
see what.
clairvoyance, like the clairvoyance thing, except backwards in time.
Yes.
Yeah, but you need a 20.
Okay.
Kip, you do something while we wait for her. What idea do you have, Kip?
Next roll is 20.
Bastard.
Uh,
So you're trying to see what happened to the sample.
Yes, I'm trying to get details about the sample. Would that count to anything?
No, because you're not in combat.
Okay.
you
Uh.
ponder the orb.
No, my eyes just fucking roll back in my head and you just see me standing still for a
Yeah.
few
They're
moments.
just
She's
looking at you like,
possessed.
is she okay?
She's
She's
possessed.
not having a
Oh,
seizure, is she?
nah, she's just having a an aneurysm. That's just what it looks
Uh,
like, you know. Yeah, don't worry about
no,
her.
I
She'll.
wouldn't be.
That's what they gotta believe.
They would know that an aneurysm isn't someone standing still.
Well, you're all well. Now they
If
do.
you have
Damn
an
it!
if you have an aneurysm, you fucking drop dead.
Not all the time. Regardless,
Uh,
Yeah, you go back 3 weeks, and one of these scientists is actually who? What? It's the middle guy. It's the white guy, Carpenter, James Carpenter. Like
Okay.
after hours, he go backs and takes the samples, and it almost looks like he's moving on autopilot. He's just kind of like not really talking. He just goes through all the motions, takes it, and then tucks it away.
Can I follow him using my clairvoyance to see what is happening? Like where he's going?
Uh, he just actually it looks like he's about to take a boat out, and then like the alarms go off because the sample is missing, so he immediately heads back.
Okay.
That's really
Um,
suspicious.
I have a feeling I should be asking asking a question about this, but I can't really formulate the question, if you get what I mean.
What is question about?
Was he in contact with anyone before or after he took the sample?
As far as you can tell, no.
Okay, well, what can I see what he
Uh,
does with the sample?
hides it in literally hides it in a mini fridge, like in his quarters in like a discreet bag because he has to keep it cold. I say contact with someone before. He's not done like anything. The most exciting thing he'd done in the week before was when they couldn't find the kaiju. They took them out on the boat to try and discover anything around its location, but they couldn't find anything of use. Like they took the three
Okay.
scientists out on the boat where like the kaiju was to try and be like, oh, can you guys sort something out since we can't find anything, it's not doing anything, and they listed off like every marine species in the freaking Philippines and came up with nothing. And then one of them suggested,
Okay.
oh, maybe the coral is infused as a kaiju.
Well,
Coral is a living being,
It
it
is.
is technically a kaiju.
or there could be an anemone, which
Or
is
it could be
also a living being.
which is could be
Which,
why they couldn't see it and why it's not moving, but you don't know.
It's
okay.
gonna be.
Um. All right. I'm gonna come out of my fucking clairvoyance,
Yeah.
and I'm gonna. This is like a super high-end lab, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna walk over towards the door and hit the panic button to lock down this area.
And it's like, hey, what is going on? What are you doing? They're all like freaking out now.
Carpenter, what are you planning to do with the samples you took?
What do you mean? We do the same testing we've always done.
He's the one who took the samples, and he has them hidden inside of a bag inside of his mini fridge in his quarters.
What? It's ridiculous. They take the samples.
Jordan, you
Yeet.
wanna? Thank you.
I dip away and go wander around for his things. Do you call Carter and Quinn to come investigate this and all that?
I call Carter and I say, I found the one who took the samples. I know where the samples are. They're still on the premises. Jordan's going to retrieve them. Bring a couple of your guys. You're gonna have to interrogate the individual.
Yep. We skip through that. Jordan eventually comes back. Quinn comes through with his security. He's like, this is ridiculous. I didn't take the samples.
Jordan unphases and he's holding the bag.
Yeah.
And it's one of those brown paper bags that's got his name written on it.
Yeah. It's
He,
stuffed in there
he, he,
between like
op-
a tuna sandwich.
he opens it and just pulls out the sample.
Like, what? How did that? No, I'm being framed. No, I didn't do this.
I literally witnessed it.
I'm telling you, I didn't do that.
If I may intervene,
Okay.
does anybody here do mind control?
What?
Nope.
There's only one infused person, that's Frank, and he doesn't have any sort of mind control anything.
No, he doesn't. There's also, well, Jason's not here. You can see that much. You can
When
still see the,
Jason's in fucking Japan, still
yeah.
fighting the
You can see
Yakuza.
him in Japan. You can see the kaiju out like 50 miles or so from the island. You can see the kid on the island, and all the other stuff that's across the world.
What about that one guy who didn't say anything to us and just appeared, did not elaborate, and disappeared?
Oh, Darth Pablo?
Yeah.
I mean, if he was here, you wouldn't know it because he knows how to hide himself from the watch.
But what if he is here?
You don't know.
What if he's here and messing with things?
Who knows?
Where is he?
As you come out to no, I'm playing. I play the same song whenever he shows up, Star.
What, Jason?
No, Darth
No.
Pablo, the
Yeah.
NPC
Darth
who's
Pablo.
stalking him. So what do you? He's swearing up and down he didn't do this, and you don't know how the sample got there.
We're supposed to be so easy if we had Jason.
Yeah. Too bad we goddamn don't.
How do we
Hmm.
know he's telling the truth?
That's what I was saying. This would be so easy with Jason here. Because he would just fucking mind meld with the dude.
Or would it? Who knows?
I also have one other theory.
What's the theory?
Oh,
The researchers had been taken out on the boat to try and distinguish the kaiju from the other creatures in the reef. What if the kaiju has some sort of telepathy or something like that?
Why would it have the telepathy?
I don't know, or not. I don't know if it's telepathy. Uh, a way to control other beings.
Jordan's like, I mean, we've seen some weird stuff, but huh? Hmm. We'd have to. It'd have to. Well, I mean, if it was just making them jump into its mouth, that would make sense. But like, that would require like a level of intelligence required to steal a blood sample, and for what? Like, wouldn't it just eat them or something? I don't know.
But what if eating one of us would somehow make it stronger,
Hmm.
or a part of us?
make it
Because
baby
like,
brain.
look at how badly I got fucked up by that turtle.
Yeah. Still, that I feel. If that's the case, wouldn't we be looking for a human? Because we haven't run into any kaiju's that smart. Or a hybrid, maybe? Mm.
This question.
It make my brain
Hmm.
work really hard. I do not like brain working really hard.
Kip, calm down. You just gotta unsmooth your brain for a minute.
Mm, mm. Kip, you are fine to dissociate.
Don't not right now. We need your brain. We need all the brain cells. We can't lose one.
More like one half.
All
I was
four
gonna say
brain
that.
cells are.
I was gonna say that, but I didn't want to be rude. Um, fucking. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right,
Okay, back on track.
all right. What we gotta do is go to the crime scene. Go to where you guys first discovered that, I don't know, blood samples were being taken.
We're literally standing in it.
Okay, next plan. Because I
Yeah,
didn't know we were literally standing in it.
yeah. You're in the
Can
lab.
can the suit scan for fingerprints?
We already know that he took it, but
Yeah,
he's. When I saw him, it was like he was sleepwalking almost.
yeah. That's the best way to describe it.
Sleep? Can I scan him?
Yeah,
I bet. I scan him.
you don't find anything out of the ordinary.
Not even his brain?
Uh,
Nothing in there, little
nothing physically, no.
nothing physically. All right, but like, what is it like
Uh,
nothing other
I
than
don't even.
physically.
I don't even know how I would describe this. Maybe like
So there is something.
electromagnetic abnormality. Maybe
There it is. I don't know what it is, but there it is.
doesn't really tell you anything. Like he just has an abnormal brain scan, basically.
There's something wrong with his brain.
I'd say we kill him and take his. No, I'm joking.
Yeah,
No, I'm joking. I'm joking.
No.
No, God, that'd be a dick move. Imagine. I just like smash his brain in like a fucking watermelon and I just go picking at it.
Uh,
Jesus Christ. I'm joking.
at a
I'm
game,
joking.
Mormon.
be
At a, is it a CAT scan or an MRI that actually like gives brain scans?
either both of them do, just in different ways. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. They,
Okay, what one would show like a misfiring neuron type deal?
I don't know. If you're asking if they have one of these on the island, then probably yes, because super advanced. But like, you can try it, I guess.
Let's get Craft Dude into a MRI.
Yeah, it doesn't pick up anything, but Star's suit did.
That something wrong with his brain.
Star, can you wirelessly connect to like a one of their like
A projector.
X-ray printer or yeah, a projector or something and show the scientists here because they are biologists, they would know what the fuck is wrong.
Alright, well I
Kind of
take
stuff.
like a screenshot of the abnormality and I look at a printer and I just start
That's-
like Bluetooth connecting it.
yeah, they've still got the suspect at gunpoint too. They're just dragging him around for all of this. This Carter's security team. It's like, well, if
Yeah,
we
yeah.
if we know it's him and we've got the samples, all this really needed.
Yeah, but I start printing out the thing with their printer.
I
Don't
don't.
don't dismiss a valuable piece of information just
Uh,
because we have part of the story.
If they see the picture, they can identify it better than us.
Yeah, like
let
what
me.
region the brain is messed up and what it's used for or something like that. Like what that part of the brain is its function.
Motor functions and memory.
Oh, so he killed the guy.
What?
What?
No, no. What Mormon is saying is whatever went wrong with his brain, it controls the memory and the motor functions.
yeah, movement stuff.
Yeah.
Movement and memory. So if this was an outside source, they could have used that to wipe his memory of the event and move him based on their will.
Basically.
I have an idea. It may be a bad idea, but it is an idea, and I feel I should voice it.
What is the idea?
What if we sent another person out to the unidentified kaiju
Who we
and
sending?
continue to monitor them?
Surely
Uh,
anybody that isn't dangerous.
I actually have an idea about that.
What is your idea?
Maybe Hector,
Sure, send Hector.
because he is non-dangerous. He knows how to drive a boat already. And if need be, I can just fucking snatch him back from him if he tries to take off.
Okay, how are you? Is this the plan? How are you gonna
Also,
monitor Hector?
mm, what do our watches do exactly? Like,
Uh,
what is the function?
to drain the power out of you guys, but you can also use them to monitor kaiju.
Are we able to use them to monitor, like, our heart rate and stuff like that?
Yours, not other people's. If you just want a visual like aerial thing, you have the pets, the
Yeah,
Robo
but I'm
Bros.
thinking more physiological, if you get what I mean.
Oh, they'll work for you, but not for someone who isn't wearing one.
I have another question.
What's his
After
question?
extended exposure with Jason, am I able to actually feel when like something is trying to like connect mentally
Yes.
type deal?
Yeah.
Okay, so then I'll go.
Okay. But
Because if I can actually feel it, I should be able to uh I don't know what the term would be.
resist.
Block it? Yeah.
Yeah, I've said like infused people can resist other infused people's mind control. We established this with Jason.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, we can do that.
So you'll go
So
alone. What is plan?
yeah, I feel like I should have at least one other person with me just in case.
Who is going with the CP?
Are we fighting something?
We don't
No,
know what we're doing.
we're not fighting something particularly at this moment. We're going to go out on the water to this kaiju and see if it has the capability of like the telepathic control.
Water.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, sounds like my type of job.
Yep, you can pull out the
I'm
good
gonna
old
be on a
Neptune
boat.
mode.
Yup.
I'm
Aquaman
going to be on a
shit.
boat.
Alright, I'll be in the water.
Okay, 1 second. I'll be right back.
As I stylishly pose, I burst into flames, and the flames glow blue. You see a man, but not just any man, a sexy man with a skin-tight suit with fish scales and a breastplate. Silence! I am going into my intro.
I'm just like I avert my eyes. It's too bright. I'm blind.
Do not turn your gaze,
Just
child!
know I can hear everything that's going on.
Oh. Do not turn your gaze, child, for you were
I'm a.
witnessing legend in the making.
Jordan is just like, I'm having
You
a stroke,
fool!
I
You
think.
absolute buffoon! I'm older than you.
Age is but a number to a god. I'm joking.
What the fuck? Hey,
I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
that could have been a direct quote from historically accurate Zeus.
Oh god, not that human. Not that womanizer. Ugh. The guy literally ate a woman just to turn into different animals.
It's
Also because
probably
he
like the
thought the
least
woman was gonna
horrible.
give birth.
It's probably the least horrible thing Zeus has done to a woman.
That's true. That's true. That's true.
That horrible dad.
Kratos did nothing wrong.
As I
Wait, what?
freaking leap into thy water with a graceful dive.
Poseidon
I
ain't
wait for
done
CP to
nothing
come
on
back.
this. That makes me think of that one thing where it's like, I am the sand guardian, guardian of the sand.
I remember
Poseidon
that.
quivers before him.
Fuck
Oh,
off!
oh, yeah, he's got his at it. I remember that video. Good times, good times.
Sand Guardian,
I
Guardian
am
of the
back.
Sand.
So Maya and Jordan are holding down the island.
Yep.
we are holding the fort.
Hold the wall! Hold the line, men! Hold the line!
If only it was that easy.
Well, you're just gonna keep these scientists contained.
Yeah,
We just have the scientists like
we got this,
like
Maya.
pens.
He's just trapped inside the room, inside of one, in between the two doors. The two tungsten doors, two of those doors. He's just sitting on the ground in between two of those doors.
Who, Jordan?
We are keeping him trapped in a
No, the
dungeon.
Oh
scientist.
yeah, we should have thrown him in there with the kid. Nah.
No, that's why I said he's in between the doors.
hmm
He's sandwiched in onion doors.
Okay, so me and Star are gonna be going out onto the reef.
hmm
Star could even identify what the kaiju is because he can detect anomalies, right?
I mean, he knows where it is, and his scanners are pretty good at picking stuff up. But yeah, he could try.
Okay, so cut
I
to Star Aquamanning the boat.
yeah,
He's
I'm
like, we
like
don't need no engine. He's just holding onto the back of it, kicking.
you forget yourself. I have thy thrusters from
Ugh.
in
All right.
order for me to scan this.
And you guys have RT following overhead.
Yeah.
hmm So we're
Fly, my
watching.
pretty robin, fly.
Whoa!
Be free.
What?
Well,
Just
not free, but
confused,
you
Squaw.
know what I
Whoa! Free
mean.
Raven! Whoa!
God damn it. I literally made that joke earlier.
Whatever. Alright,
As I was leaving work, I was like, Dobby's a Leo!
good dude. Okay, as you guys take the I don't know 45-mile journey by boat out, It's a bit tedious, but what is planned when you get within kaiju seeing distance? But yet there is no kaiju to be seen.
I'm going to have Star start scanning in
Oh, I'm
different
scanning.
directions yes, to see if you can identify what organism is the kaiju.
Fear not, for I'll sense thy
Crest
creature.
alive.
I put both my hands together and do like an Aquaman fucking calling fish pose. But in reality, I'm just
you're,
scanning. I'm
you're,
just.
you're, you're literally just making the woof 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 sound.
In different directions. He's like,
Yeah.
come to me.
Roll for your sonar nonsense.
Do I really have to roll for a sonar?
Yes.
Yep.
Alright. Let me go
It's
look
like a
for it. You're making me.
D50 or something.
It is a D50. D50 with a what? D20?
E.
Alright, so I got like a 47.
That was your roll for both
47
of
in
those?
total.
Wait, you said D20 plus the oh right. Oh yeah. Okay, let me do that again. Okay. Wow,
Or you could
even
just
better.
roll a
A 50.
D70 if you want. That's your
Yeah,
total?
I got a 50. Yeah.
Yeah. You detect nothing.
Boop, boop. Fuck. No, my powers fail me. How can I let evil escape? Evil!
Jesus, the brain
Calm down
rot.
there, mermaid man.
Evil! As
What are
I'm
you
like
doing on your
swimming in
turn,
circles.
CP?
Evil!
Mm, 1 second, I'm going to use temporal space sense.
Okay.
Okay.
Rolling for it. Wait, I have to do radiate and then it, right? Or
Yeah.
just okay. So radiate is 16,
Mm-hmm.
and then I have to roll another 20 for like how effective it is, right?
Yeah.
17
The kaiju.
plus wait, it's my focus, right?
Yeah.
Plus
It's like a
2, so 19.
the kaiju is in the coral reef. It's a large reef.
I
I
think
hate you.
this has to do with that one thing where you sent that meme about the island suddenly moving.
No. It's a far older meme than that.
Oh, oh no. I am the concern.
What do you do with the CP?
Okay, so it is within the coral reef.
Yes, it is within the reef.
Does that context? Is that in like a coral, or is that within the actual reef that the coral is attached to?
Bro, what are you saying right now?
Coral has tiny, like thousands of tiny little holes that all kinds of
No, I
very
mean
small
there
little
is a coral reef. Somewhere within that coral reef is the kaiju.
that doesn't really help.
It's not supposed to help. You failed the check.
I got a
Wait, did
19 and a 16.
What did I just say? You failed the check.
wait, did that mean I filled the check earlier when I rolled a
Yup.
50? What? How? What the fuck?
This thing.
Can I
These are
do it
not the
again?
droids you're looking for.
Sure.
Mess. Alright. By the power invested in me. I rolled a 51. Damn it.
Okay, give me a second to roll.
Wait, I need to.
Boop, 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 boop.
You failed again.
Damn it!
You might
Oh
I
shit.
realize
have. I think I have an idea of what the creature may be.
what this creature
I'm thinking maybe a stonefish.
could it be?
That sounds really ominous.
They're very poisonous or venomous, whatever. Basically, if it gets you with the poison, you're big dead.
Oh, oh no.
What is your plan for this?
Well, the stonefish can only poison us if we like put enough pressure on the its spikes on its back. It can't at will uh, envenomate someone without them actually making contact with the things,
But this
and they have to
is
apply pressure to it.
but this could be a kaiju stonefish. You don't know what it could do.
It could mind control.
It could pull out a Glock.
Or it can mind control and pull out a Glock. Worse.
I'm going to use my detection.
Yours is a lot lower than stars, but okay.
No, I'm doing it to see if it's attempting to fucking mind meld with me or mind control me.
Okay.
18 plus 3, so 21. It's basically self-awareness in this instance. Do I feel the same familiar thing that happens every time Star does it?
Hold
Or
on,
not Star,
I gotta
Jason.
roll.
Yeah.
Give me a second. Where is this thing's dice? I cannot. Crap! Did I lose the kaiju sheet thing?
Take a second and look.
Oh, you're a doggo.
Uh, I
Baby
don't know.
bird.
Why don't you tell me?
Oh, I just popped my neck.
Not that you're aware of. CP? Did she just leave?
I don't really know.
Un momento.
Yeah, we just wait.
He's.
Maybe sure.
Did you have any? I mean, you can't do anything until she gets back. But did you have any ideas, Star?
Um, I was thinking about just mainly as I'm underwater, probably like maybe swim around, maybe it'll see me, something like that.
Yeah, it's probably not gonna.
Out some way.
Oh shoot. I'll be right back. I gotta check something.
I'm back.
Kip just left to go check something.
Oh. I'm back inside the house because I'm watching. Or I'm sitting with the children.
Okay.
So you might hear some aristocrats.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I heard something about Star wanting to swim around.
Mm-hmm.
And just so you know, if it is a stonefish, the only time it's going to make any sort of movement is if you're directly in front of it, and it can eat you.
Oh yeah, it would gulp you.
Oh.
Yep.
Hmm. Well then.
Because even if someone steps on it, it doesn't move. Oh, and its venom is bright blue.
That's no bueno at all.
I know this from a random TikTok.
Let's do it to be a stonefish. We do not know.
Well then.
Oh, ha 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 ha.
How the hell are we gonna fight this thing?
I have a question.
What this question?
Do do we still show up on the map if like, say, if I put one of you guys in my clock dimension, do you guys still show up on the map?
No.
Okay. What did I miss?
I'm just brainstorming, trying to figure out how we're gonna fucking detect this thing if its detection is fucking higher than 50. Or its stealth is higher than 50.
It's got that high stealth.
So yeah, it's pretty
My
high.
thought is it's probably a stonefish, but I still don't understand what creature it would be. If it's not the stonefish, what thing has high enough intelligence to force a person to steal a sample? I don't know the reasoning behind stealing the sample.
Who knows?
A dolphin?
That would actually not.
Dolphins do have high intelligence, but still, what what would its reasoning be to mind control a human to steal a infused person's blood sample, and how would they even know about the blood sample?
That's just very good questions.
Hmm.
Like, the only thing that is coming to mind at the moment is fucking portaling away parts of the reef. Because I can probably just portal it from one location to another to keep the reef as alive, if you get what I mean.
Yeah.
But if the blip moves, then it's also secluded from the rest of the reef.
Hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, I just don't want to disturb the ecosystem.
Yeah, I don't want to disturb the ecosystem too much.
Oh yeah. Super, I sent you something for Borderlands. Check your messages at some point.
Hmm?
One minute, guys.
Hmm?
Me?
No, CP. What happened? She just cut out. Hello?
I think she's busy with someone.
Yeah, she's
Give
probably.
me a minute.
Fine. I'm gonna use the bathroom while she's gone.
Yeah.
So, you drew any art lately? Out of curiosity.
I'm always drawing something. I'm
Yeah, but
working on something right now.
oh, see it later.
Yeah. This one's good enough to share.
Does it have
I'm
anything to do with the session?
no,
Ah,
it's something entirely different. I always have like different drawings and art stuff going on. It's different every time.
alright. Yeah, I noticed you're everywhere. You draw some nice characters, but like,
Yeah.
there's like no further story to them.
I mean there is, but I just don't like elaborate on it.
Yeah, like not too deeply.
Yeah. I'm just like, here, these exist, and then I just leave.
You're like, I created a universe, and then just leaves.
Just appears, does something, refuses to elaborate, leaves. But yeah, I I wonder what this kaiju is. I wonder if we should just like
I don't
mess
know.
around and find out.
I thought I would pick it up by now.
Yeah, this thing's stealth is too high.
That's a little too.
How dare it have good stealth compared to the rest of us?
A little scared because I'm the only one in the water, and yeah, I have armor.
Yeah,
I don't even know what this thing is gonna.
yeah.
If it does eat me, I'm just gonna say it's gonna have a hard time swallowing.
Yeah.
Have a very upset tummy when it's done.
Give it
I'm
heartburn.
back. I'm ordering coffees and I ordered myself some chicken nuggets.
Ooh, coffees and chicken nuggies. Yeah.
Well, the coffee is from Nathan and his friend, and then um
Oh.
the chicken nuggets are
Oh. They don't need the
chicken
coffee.
nuggets.
I've returned it. Is everyone back?
Yeah.
Yeah, Nathan came and asked me to order coffee.
Okay.
Couldn't he order it himself?
No, he doesn't have my banking details, and we have it set up for when he can't use his card for online purchases to
Oh.
avoid fraud.
So,
Yeah.
but
What?
he's like time
Actually,
out
I
from
don't. I
using his
don't
own
care
card.
why.
Sounds like he's on
Because he
time.
no, he has a learning disability. He's not very good at spotting fraud.